When we take a pressure measurement with a mercury barometer, or really any type of barometer, we're taking what's called the station pressure, as you can see here. And this is useful in some ways, but when we are thinking about it in terms of comparing with other locations, we need to adjust it because, yeah, as you can see in this graph, the air pressure changes very rapidly in the vertical, much more than it changes in the horizontal. So when we compare locations, we want to make sure it's adjusted for elevation. And to do this, what we do is adjust to what we call sea level pressure. So if you're above sea level, say on a mountain, as we can see here, you increase the pressure. And to do that, you add one millibar for every 10 meters. So in this case, you're 600 meters in case A, you're 600 meters above sea level. So you add 60 millibars to your station pressure reading, and that will give you your sea level pressure reading. And the same goes for pretty much all locations. And then you inevitably get a sea level pressure map, and you can see how the pressure changes over an area, and this tells us a lot about the wind.